Hey, so everybody's welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be filming with the BOXYCHARM July box. I know it's late, but better late than ever. I'm going to be starting off with the Farmacy Bright On Vitamin C mask. I left this on for about 5 to 8 minutes, washed it off with some warm water, and patted dried my face. I love the way my face looked and felt after this mask. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This moisturizes my right and eye. Then after this, I put on some Blistex to just moisturize my lips for the rest of my makeup application. Now I'm in with the IT Cosmetics brow pencil on just my brows, and then I fill it in with the Chella Brow Cream. The brush for the brow cream I didn't particularly like, so after this video, I did use it with like a regular angled brush that I normally would use on my brows. I was trying to figure out where did I open it at and get the product. So as you see, I'm just filling in my brows. I do like the cream. I'm not hating on the cream. The brush I didn't particularly like. I wasn't favoring it. Now I'm going in with my two favorite primer combinations, which is Cover FX and Dr. Brandt's. These two primers I really do like pairing together. It really gives me a nice flawless makeup application. Love the way my foundation looks after this. I normally would use my primer water from e.l.f. but I ran out. I do have to pick up some more because that primer water is thebomb.com. Now I'm going in with the I'm going in with the palette here from Boxy that I got my BOXYCHARM, and I'm just going for like neutral look here. I really love these shadows. These shades are pretty. These shades are almost like my everyday shades that I would use, so this palette will be a go-to. Do you see that? Do you see that color on my lids? That color is so pretty. I'm loving it. Guys, can we just take a second and just look at my brows? I'm so loving my brows. Now I'm going in with that brown shade, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid, and I'm going to bring it into my crease just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And with this color, I'm just doing like a patting motion at first, and then I'm just doing a back and forth swiping motion in my crease. Look at that shimmer shade. Do you see that? That's just one swipe, and I'm just going to use that shade first, and then I'm just going to add it on with my finger, and then using a very small shader brush to just put it into my crease. And now I'm taking a highlight and just highlighting my brow bone. I don't normally do this, but I was just feeling it for today. And then going in with the Pixie Lash Liner, and I did have to switch the liner because it wasn't being nice to me, so I did switch it for another Pixie liquid liner. And then I'm going in with this mascara that I got in my BOXYCHARM from Wonder Beauty, and it's their on lashed mascara, and I really love this mascara. And I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is my second ride or die, right next to the LA Girls one. So with the foundation, I'm just using one of my BH Cosmetics brushes to go ahead and add it, and I'm using 3 concealers. The first one I am using is the LA Girls, and then on top of that, more towards the inner corners, I use the Wet n Wild one to just give it a nice bright but neutral kind of under eye. I didn't want nothing too bright. And then, you know, using the contour stick and giving my face some shading and some color. And I'm just also using the Boreal Nickel brush per usual to go ahead and blend out the concealer, well, contour, whichever one you want to call it, because on the packaging it does say contour. I mean concealer. Oh my god, whatever. Now for the other areas of my face, you know, that I normally do highlighting in with the concealer, I didn't do nothing crazy. I didn't put too much product. I put very little product on with the little dots. I didn't want nothing too crazy. It was like a very almost natural kind of look, because I was just going to the movies to go take my son to go watch Jurassic World 2 because he loves dinosaurs. So I didn't want nothing crazy. I still wanted to look cute, and like I wanted to get out of bed. So it was just very light highlighting going on. And you know, I'm using my Airspun loose face powder to go ahead and set everything, and then blending it out with one of my favorite fluffy brushes from BH Cosmetics. So here I'm, you know, clearly adding on some contour on top of here. I didn't show the product I was using, and I was using the e.l.f. contour palette to go ahead and, you know, set my cream contour, give my face a little bit more color. I did use the lighter shade in the contour palette. Now I'm going in with the Note blush. This is the Desert Rose. I literally live for this blush. Like I said, this is a late video from the July box, but since I did this video, I have been using this blush non-stop. It is really pigmented, so you can go in with a very light hand because, you know, you don't want to go too crazy. Now I'm using the Becca highlight, and obviously you saw on my face I, you know, cleaned up the contour. But yeah, going in with that highlight. Want to look like a little glowing goddess right there. Now for my under eye area, I'm just using all the colors I used on my lid except for the shimmer shade. I don't want, ta-da! I didn't want any shimmer under my eyes. I haven't did that before, so I wasn't trying. Now I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss from Pixie and using a brown liner to go ahead and line my lips. Yes, I'm lining my lips after the gloss. I do like doing this. But that is all for this video right here. A nice cute everyday day glam. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and let's become subby buddies. Right? Yeah, we're gonna become subby buddies, right? Give this video a thumbs up if you like this everyday day glam kind of look, and make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified when a new video comes up. Bye.